Students, welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 7th, Lifelines of Indian Economy, Geography part. This is module 9th. In 8th, we discuss about the airways, the fastest means of the transport. Now here, we will discuss about again an important one, communication. This is also a important part regarding the development of the society, the nation, and even to improvise the economic condition. Different means of communication are there: radio, television, computer, internet, one of the latest. Magazines are there, newspapers, and even movies, films. All these are means of the communication. And from the beginning, human beings are only the creature that were able to communicate, that reached to the latest technology of the communication. Okay. Now here we will discuss different means of communication. The first one is the Indian postal system. The Indian postal network, you may say a system. We are having one of the largest postal network. This is not new. This is an old one during the Britishers' time. That is nearly 1850s. From that time period we are using this. And in this, now a time has changed. We are having emails and laptops are there, computer, and the most important is internet. By these, the craze of postal network has reduced. Earlier, the cards, letters, envelopes, telegram, these were one of the important means of communication to know about the people, to communicate, to discuss. And it is even one of the ancient method also. During the kingdom time period, that may be available. Okay. And in that, the first one is cards and envelopes are included in first mail. Means that are an important one. In first mail. Second is newspaper, magazines, and periodicals are some that are included in second mail. Okay. Nowadays, telegram has been exempted, that has been not be the part nowadays, but the craze of this Indian postal network, it was important, you may see, up to 2000 or even earlier. This craze has reduced only after 2000, or you may say this 21st century. Okay, now, and you know that especially in the rural areas and even into the urban and even semi-urban areas, maximum workload was into this postal network. But nowadays, data has also improved. New means of technology is used in this postal order. Okay. Now, second is STDs. You know that earlier this method was used to communicate to faraway places. Before 2000 or into the 1980s, 1990s even, this was an important one. And BSNL, MTNL, and nowadays different companies are there that are within the competition to provide the best network of the internet, to provide best facilities of the communication. Okay. What was that? Subscribers, trunk, dialing. For example, a person is working in Bihar and he belongs to Haryana. A person is working in Haryana and he belongs to Bihar. So STD, that was an important one. It was expensive during that time period, and nearly 2/3 part was covered with STD in rural areas. It means a lot of, that was for 12 hours. But as the time progressed, the 24 hours STD facilities were provided. Okay. Now you can see these nowadays mobile phones are there, landline phones are also available, and one of the important is internet. We can discuss face to face even. But at that time a lot of problem were there. It was expensive also, and at that time it was an, you may say, one of the important thing. The peoples were able to communicate very easily. And in that, if for example we are sitting in Haryana and we want to communicate in Maharashtra, that is easily. And it means they are not to move from one place to another. Okay. This was an important one. Now third one. Third one is mass communication. Third one is mass communication. Mass communication. You can say these magazines, newspaper, TV, radios, TVs, radios, newspaper, magazines. These are some of the means of communication. Now you can see that in our country we are having maximum number of newspaper. Maximum number of newspaper are printed and in hundreds of languages and dialects. It means these are there throughout the country, 100 languages, and maximum of the newspapers, they are in the different languages. This is also means of communication. In the morning we are able to know what is happening in the country, what is the status of politics, what are the different views, what are the different things that we will be getting from these. Okay. And next one is, after that, movies or films. You know that India produces maximum movies in the world. Maximum films that are made by India. That is our Bollywood, that is Mumbai. Maximum throughout the world. Okay. Now they are controlled by Central Board of Film Certification. That may be Indian or that may be outsider. It is to be get permitted by this censor board, we may say. And on that they give, if some clippings are to be cut, they are to be excluded, or if it means they check whether it is suitable, whether it is not an individual or in any community or any religion, otherwise we may have the panic. So it means these movies, these magazines, these newspapers, they are very important and they are the best means of communication. Nowadays you can see internet and mobiles. They have changed everything. Nowadays the world is looking like a village. Everything is easily available. We are sitting in India and even we are communicating with England, with USA, Canada, Russia and other parts of the world. This is only how it will be. The radiations that are coming from these satellites. And nowadays they are costly, we may say, but stiff competition between the companies provide the best output. So these communication means of communication and for trading they are the best one, because if it will be there with this internet and mobiles, we are the farmers, the traders are able to know the rates of different commodities, and even the students and in the communities they are also know about different things. So these are the best means of the communication, and you may say best achievement of the human